Welcome to Learn English Practical 24/7 with Harvey.
Could you stay focused in class when you were a child?
As a child, I generally had a good attention span, but like many others, I occasionally drifted away into my own thoughts, especially during less engaging lessons. However, I found that visual aids and interactive activities significantly boosted my ability to stay attentive. This taught me the value of active participation in maintaining focus. A good attention span. It means the ability to concentrate on a task for a long period without getting distracted. We have an example. She has a good attention span and can study for hours. Drift away into my own thoughts. It means to become distracted by personal thoughts, losing focus on the current task. We have an example. During the lecture, I drifted away into my own thoughts. Less engaging lessons. It means classes or lessons that fail to capture and hold the student's interest. We have an example. Less engaging lessons make it hard for students to focus. Stay attentive. It means to remain focused and alert. We have an example. It's important to stay attentive during important meetings.
Could you stay focused in class when you were a child?
Reflecting on my childhood, I remember having a fairly good level of concentration during class. My teachers often used stories and group activities, which captured my attention quite effectively. However, in subjects that didn't resonate with me, my focus waned, and I often caught myself daydreaming. Fairly good level of concentration. It means a reasonably strong ability to stay focused. We have an example. He has a fairly good level of concentration, despite the noise. Captured my attention. It means to attract and hold someone's focus. We have an example. The teacher's exciting story captured my attention. My focus waned. It means to lose focus or concentration over time. We have an example. After a long day, my focus waned during the evening class.
Well done. Get ready to unlock your English potential. Subscribe to Learn English Practical 24/7 for regular updates and dive into the world of practical English learning. Thank you very much.